Welcome back, friends. Last time, you helped us count magical number gems and made the garden shine. Now, our magical path has brought us somewhere new. Look, it's floating in the sky.
Hi, everyone. I'm Benny Bunny, and these are my friends Lila, Samira, and Mateo. Today, we've landed on Shape Island, a place full of shaped trees, rolling hills, and magical bridges.
But something's wrong. The Shape Sprites need our help. Their playground is all jumbled up.
Are you ready to help? Show us your best shaped hands.
Oh no! The shapes are all mixed up. The Shape Sprites can't play until everything is put right. Let's help by finding and matching the shapes. Can you spot a circle? Point to it.
Let's start with circles. Can you make a circle with your hands? Let's find all the circles in the playground.
Circle, circle, round and bright, rolls and spins with pure delight. Make a circle big and small, can you find them one and all?
Now, let's look for squares. Jump to a square on the screen.
Square, square, four sides straight, strong and sturdy, really great. Jump to a square, clap your hands. Squares are found in many lands.
Triangles next. Let's make a triangle with our arms, point up high.
Look at that pointy triangle.
Triangle, triangle, three sides you see, pointy and clever as can be. Spin to a triangle, touch the ground. Triangles are all around.
Let's find hearts and ovals. Can you make a heart with your hands? Roll like an oval across the floor.
Heart so loving, oval so smooth. Shapes that wiggle, shapes that groove. Dance like a heart, roll like an egg. Find those shapes, don't make us beg.
Now, let's build the rectangle bridge. Stretch your arms out wide, like a long rectangle.
A rectangle, rectangle, long and lean. Two sides short and two sides mean. March to a rectangle, stomp your feet. Rectangles make the bridge complete.
Let's do the shape shuffle together.
Circle, square, triangle, two. Heart and oval just for you. Rectangle, diamond star so bright. Dance with shapes, it feels just right. Spin, jump, wiggle, clap. Shape shuffle's the best, let's give a tap.
Thank you for helping us. Here's a magic shape badge for your next adventure.
You're amazing shape explorers. Where will the magic path take us next time?
Parents, exploring shapes with movement, music, and matching builds early math and spatial skills. Encourage your child to spot shapes at home and retell today's adventure.
See you next time for another magical journey in Story Below.